Second Chief Minister District Level Interschool Athletic Meet Arhajar Arpulai yakabala penlong daka District Sports Officer Nostan kalapoy no syakabakut hakakat khandai tarik ujemang Arhajar Arpulai Hamadan Dom Maulum Pendeng Umyong kabahab hapoka Eastern West Khasinews District. Hakani kasni lawan ban yadon lang Deputy Commissioner ka Eastern West uba aji kharmau plang kumukongsan nangta ka DSO Nostan ka kong balarinas imli usordar kasnong Pendeng Umyong uba Bornars Emyong, UX-MDC Kamairang Constituency uba Equator Nongrang, kinohikai ki khana school bat kiwe ki barasha khot skobha. Yakanam Lahduh hakani kalumpung layo ra ka St. Joseph High Secondary School Nongkasan, hakaba kalayo ban khur hadu khan riu tili ki takmak siar. Katba yakanam Best March Pass lara ka Pendeng Umyong Presbyterian Secondary School. Yakanam Best Athletes naki under 14 jaki Shillong lara samla bantais camp khar maulong na St. Thomas High Secondary School panaki kentai pat lara samla Sylvia Magdalene Marsyangbai na St. Joseph High Secondary School pat haka under 18 boys lara lawan prang el maunai na Mairang Presbyterian Secondary School pat haka under 18 girls lara samla Kandaman Kerhai El Nonglan na Mairang Presbyterian High Secondary School pat hakani kalumpung lawan baneshim benta hadu arbo nyau tili ki school harangkat ki 1000 shispa khandrengot ki khana school.
The various officials from the sports department, from the various departments, the guests, the teachers of the various schools, the principals, the headmasters, the participating students, the athletes, and all the supporters who are present here today. It is indeed an honor to be here, to be part of this second Chief Minister's Interschool athletic meet for Eastern West Khasinews district that has been organized by the District Sports Office of Long. I was informed by the DSO this has been one of the biggest athlete contingent of participants in all the districts of Meghalaya. We have more than 1,000 participants today. It's indeed, we are very fortunate to see such mass participation of students. It shows that, students who are the future of not only this district but of the community and the country as a whole, with their wholehearted participation in activities like sports and all, it brings us hope that in future we can look forward to a very healthy and prosperous student community, not only now but in the years to come. Though I've been here only for a few, you can say maybe for the last 1 hour, but looking at the kind of participation, the sportsman spirit that is there in each and every one of you, it is indeed very, very, impressive to notice that the district, under the leadership of the district, the subdivisional sports education officer, he has can bring about so many schools here in the district to participate. In fact, I must congratulate our district sports officer also and a team for this mass participation of students and schools. And though sports is a game where not everyone can get accolades, however, participation itself is the spirit of the game.